Meaning of dandruff.
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 Dandruff. Dandruff is a common scalp condition that causes flaking of the skin. It occurs when the scalp's natural microorganisms cause the skin cells to shed more quickly than usual. The result is white or yellowish flakes that fall from the scalp and may be visible on clothing. Dandruff can also cause itching, inflammation, and redness of the scalp. While the exact cause of dandruff is unknown, factors such as stress, hormonal changes, and certain medical conditions may contribute to its development. Proper hair hygiene, medicated shampoos, and topical treatments can help manage dandruff symptoms.